Today we are at the ribbon cutting for the first hawk signal in Fairfax County. It is pedestrian actuated so that it only flashes when pedestrians push a button, but it doesn't cause as much traffic disruption as a full traffic signal.
We have a lot of places that could use hawk signals. Other jurisdictions have used them for a very long time. We know they work.
The hawk signal was precipitated as a result of a request originally from Lynbrook Elementary School. This is a really difficult stretch of backlit road, very high speed, a whole lot of traffic, and there's no traffic signals in this section of backlit. So the purpose of the hawk was to be able to provide a safe, convenient crossing, and I think one of the things drivers need to know is this. When the signal is solid red, they need to stop and stay stopped. When the signal is flashing red, they need to stop, but then if there are no pedestrians crossing, they can go ahead and proceed. But pedestrians really need to push that button and wait for the walk signal to come on before they cross.
This project is very definitely a crown jewel in what it's supposed to be when you have adequate resources and dedication and knowledge about meeting the different levels of need at each element of our community.
There will be hundreds and hundreds of kids whose lives will be improved and whose safety will be enhanced because of the efforts that everyone here put forward to make this happen.